Greetings, welcome to Facts About Everything. I'm your host James Egan. Today we're talking about Pluto, the former planet. Pluto is named after the Greek god of the underworld. The ancient Romans called him Hades. On average, Pluto is 3.67 billion miles away from the Sun. At its closest, it's 2.76 billion miles, and at its furthest, it's 4.59 billion miles. It takes 5 hours and 30 minutes for the Sun's light to reach Pluto. By comparison, it takes about 8 minutes for it to reach Earth. Pluto was discovered by Clyde William Tombaugh in 1930. Until Pluto was found, it was theorized it would be a gigantic planet like Uranus or Neptune. That discovery must have been pretty anticlimactic. Pluto is minus 230 degrees Celsius on the surface. Pluto was discontinued as a planet on August 24th, 2006. It was the saddest day in history. Pluto moves 2 miles per second. Okay, the big question. Why is it not a planet? Because there are 3 rules in order for a celestial body to be considered a planet. A planet must be in orbit around the Sun. B, the object must be massive enough to be rounded by its own gravity. And C, it must have cleared the neighborhood around its orbit. Pluto fails the 3rd condition. Pluto now qualifies as a dwarf planet. There are other dwarf planets beyond Pluto called Makemake, Haumea, Eris, and Ceres. Pluto is the largest dwarf planet. 7 moons of the solar system are bigger than Pluto. Pluto is 1/3 water. Although Pluto is not a planet, it still has moons. Charon, Styx, Kerberos, Nix, and Hydra. It takes Pluto 248 years to travel around the Sun. As you can see, Pluto has a crater on its surface in the shape of a heart. Yay! Oh, that's really sweet and cute and romantic. Let's associate it with the god of death. Yay! A day on Pluto is 6 Earth days and 9 hours long. Pluto will complete an orbit of the Sun in 2117. Pluto is the only planet to have been discovered in the 20th century, even though it isn't a planet anymore. Pluto was named by an 11-year-old girl from Oxford called Venetia Burney. Pluto is half the size of our moon. Special thanks to these fine people. And that concludes our Space Week and a half. But don't worry, there's plenty more I need to talk about. I need to talk about space exploration, exoplanets, stars, the Sun, asteroids, meteorites, comets, black holes, the solar system, the Milky Way, the Big Bang, nebulae, and the universe in general. If you want to see more, please let me know and I'll upload more videos. Thanks for watching, I'll see you again.